Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone involved in mobile app development or digital marketing. The difference between using an SDK or software development kit versus an S2S or server to server integration. Understanding the differences and benefits of each can significantly impact how you track and analyze user data. So let's explore this in detail. We'll be looking specifically at the Kochava SDK for our example. First, let's talk about what a software development kit is. Essentially, an SDK is a set of tools and libraries that developers can integrate directly into their mobile apps. The Kochava SDK, for example, provides a comprehensive suite of features that enable the app to track activity, measure engagement, and optimize marketing efforts right from within the app. This direct integration allows for real-time data collection and analysis, which can be incredibly powerful to app marketers for making quick, informed decisions. One of the primary advantages of using an SDK like Kochava's is the level of detail and accuracy it offers. Because the SDK is embedded directly into the app, it can capture a wide range of data points from user interactions to device information with high precision. This granularity is particularly beneficial for marketers who need to understand user behavior at a deep level to tailor their campaigns effectively. Now let's shift our focus to server-to-server or S2S integrations. Unlike SDKs, S2S integrations do not require any code to be embedded within the app itself. Instead, data is sent directly from your servers to the tracking provider servers. One of the key benefits of an S2S integration is its flexibility. Since the data is transmitted server-side, you have more control over what data is sent and when. This can be particularly useful for businesses with complex data requirements or those that need to integrate multiple data sources. Additionally, S2S can be a more secure option as sensitive data does not need to be handled on the user's device. Now let's focus on the SDK benefits for iOS devices. One of the standout features of the Kochava SDK is its seamless integration with Apple Search Ads or ASA. The SDK is designed to communicate directly with ASA, retrieving attribution tokens and results efficiently. This setup follows Apple's best practices. Without the SDK, a server-to-server client would need to build support for ASA from scratch, which can be quite complex. Another significant benefit is the adherence to Apple's SK ad network. When Scan is configured in the Kochava dashboard, the SDK automatically registers with Apple's SK ad network at launch. It calculates conversion values for eligible events and updates them automatically, ensuring compliance with Apple's privacy standards. The Kochava SDK also simplifies the enforcement of Apple's App Tracking Transparency or ATT framework for IDFA collection. With iOS 14.5, IDFA collection is gated behind user permissions, and the SDK makes it easy to enable ATT enforcement during configuration. There are additional benefits for both iOS and Android. These include universal smart link support, deferred deep linking, enhanced data collection, and user agent standardization. Lastly, install and event validation is a critical feature of the Kochava SDK. It allows Kochava to filter out fraudulent installs and events, ensuring data integrity. Ultimately, the choice between SDK and S2S integrations will depend on your specific goals, resources, and technical constraints. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each approach, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your business objectives. Thank you for taking this time to explore the topic with me. If you have questions, we'd love to help. Reach out via the contact information below or on the screen, and we'll see you on the next AdTech Trends.